Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. My name is Haiying. Welcome to my class. Today we learn to make French butter cookie. It's called baliboton, and it's a French buttery cookie, relatively thick, but it's very, very crunchy and very tasty. A little bit salt, a little bit salty, a little bit sweet, and nothing too aggressive. And there is a full richness and comeback flavor in it. So in this class, we will learn from scratch, from the very beginning until how you serve it. And the class is relatively relaxed. And I did not do very much video editing, so that you almost cook exactly the same time with me. We cook together. You have time to think, to reflect, sometimes wait a little bit how things work out. So not in a rush. Let's enjoy this beautiful day and delicious cookie. Thank you very, very much. Bye-bye, friends. See you there.